Hello, everyone.
Let me just say one thing in closing. Do you see what's going on with Australia right now, and maybe New Zealand?
Locking down firmly.
Do you see? So when we talk in 30 days, what is going to be the big news that we could not have foreseen now, 30 days from now? And maybe
gold and silver make.
Jefferson said the tree of liberty has to be watered with the blood of tyrants and patriots.
It's going to be a massive reaction of ghastly disgust by the public when they see what has been happening.
Yeah. Well, I have the link to your donate page.
That's right. Well, I've got another one. It's a subscribe page.
Subscribe to your hat trick letter?
Yeah.
All right, I'll put both of them in. Very good.
Okay.
I'll take care of that.
Okay. All right. Very good.
All right.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Bye now.
Bye now.